Negative emotion has a profound impact on the way we think, act, and interact with the world around us. When feelings like anger, jealousy, resentment, or fear take hold, they can cloud our judgment and make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. Relationships often bear the brunt of negative emotion, as misunderstandings and harsh words can create rifts that seem impossible to repair. Trust, once broken by a moment of uncontrolled negativity, may take years to rebuild, if it can be rebuilt at all. Productivity and creativity suffer as well. When our minds are preoccupied with worry or frustration, it becomes difficult to focus on our goals or think of new solutions to problems. Instead, we find ourselves stuck in a cycle of rumination, replaying past events or imagining worst-case scenarios. This cycle drains our energy and makes it hard to move forward. Physical health is not immune to the effects of negative emotion either. Chronic stress and anxiety have been linked to a wide range of health issues, from headaches and insomnia to weakened immune systems and even heart disease. Our bodies react to these emotions as if we are constantly under threat, keeping us in a state of tension that can be exhausting and harmful over time. Perhaps most significantly, negative emotion can damage our own sense of self-worth. When we allow these feelings to define us, we start to believe the worst about ourselves and our abilities. Over time, this can erode our confidence and keep us from pursuing opportunities for growth and happiness. Recognizing the impact of negative emotion is the first step towards healing. By acknowledging these feelings and seeking healthy ways to cope with them, we can begin to repair the damage and create a more positive, resilient outlook on life. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.